So guys, நான் இப்போ பண்ண ஒரு ஸ்டோரி பண்றேன். Let's step it. The fox and the goat once they live their fox in a jungle. One day he fell into a well. He tried again and again to come out of the well, but failed to do so. A goat passed by the well and saw the fox in the well. She asked the fox, "What are you in the well?" The fox said, "Water in the well is sweet and tasty. Why don't you come there and drink the water?" The fool is good, jumbly fool. The jumbly to a well. The fox used the goat as a ladder and come up of the well. And poor goat remained in the well. Moral: we must not be fooled by others. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്റ്റോറി ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട? ബൈ. വെൽക്കം ടു അവർ ക്ലാസ്.